I am making a cheesecake, poke cake. Oh, I got my yellow cake mix, my oil, and my water. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it. All right, now for your poke cake, you want to poke a bunch of holes in. I don't have a wooden spoon, so I probably should get one. So I'm just going to use this thing. We're gonna set that to the side. And I have my milk here and my 2 boxes of cream cheese pudding mix. Okay, you don't want your pudding to set up because you want to fill in all of these holes just like so. And what I like to do, ooh man, mine may already be sitting up, is try and smush it into the holes here. I try not to let it run down to the edges first because I want it to get all into smushified. Is that a word, smushified? Oh, that's a lot of pudding. I've never seen it with 2 boxes before. This is a test recipe. Oh dear. Okay, this is supposed to sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours, but that ain't gonna happen because I gotta go. So I'm just going to put my Cool Whip on top. I am going to sprinkle the top. All right, there we go. Yum, that looks delicious. There's what it looks like. Oops, I really should let it sit up more, but that's okay. It'll be all right. Yum.